up, guys? Welcome back for another video. And today, well, I just decided maybe I should surprise my wife with a brand new car. Right now I'm on my way to pick her up. She doesn't know why I'm picking her up right now, but I'm gonna take her to my work, so we'll see how her reaction is when she sees the new car.
So why are we here?
I forgot something here at work.
Are you gonna get off by yourself?
No, both of us get out because I don't know if I'm gonna take long.
Why do you have your camera on?
Oh, it's because I thought I had something on my teeth.
Gross.
Oh, come on, let's go.
Husband surprised me with getting me a new car, a RAV4, which is a really nice car, but he didn't let me drive it for the first time, and he gets to drive it first.
Hey, we gotta make sure we get home for the first time on a brand new car. We get there safely, so
that's what he said.